Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings into your REALME GT 2 Pro. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and find System Settings option. Here choose Screen Recording option, and now on the top we got Sound block. So first option in the list will be Record System Sound, and next it's Record Microphone Sound. So like this position of switcher, it's activate this option, and like this, like gray, it's turn off this option. And if you wanna customize, for example, wanna record microphone sound and system sound, you can activate these two options. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.